Good evening, one and all. Welcome to today's program. I welcome all the dignitaries of all the branches of IPS South Zone, all states, and and also to our beloved Dr. B.N. Gangadhar sir and Dr. Ramkrishna sir. So we welcome you all to today's evening. Today's evening is a special evening because we are felicitating our beloved sir Dr. B.N. Gangadhar sir. He'll also start the CME program today by inaugurating a novel way of inauguration by taking a session on optimal use of ECT. Without further ado, I would like to ask Dr. Suresh Kumar Gunapalli to propose the welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, all of you. Respected President, IPS South Zone, Dr. Ramakrishnan sir, the President-elect, Dr. Ramanan Arat, Honorary Treasurer, Dr. Sahul Amin, and Honorary Editor, Honorary Treasurer, Dr. Gangaram, and the Zonal Representative, Dr. Vishal Indla, and the CME Committee Chairman, Dr. V.K. Arvind, the immediate past President, Dr. Kishan, the immediate past Secretary, Dr. Abhay Matkar, and the senior members of the IPS and IPS South Zone, as well as the past presidents of IPS and the friends, colleagues, and dear students. On behalf of IPS South Zone, I would like to welcome you all for today's a grand felicitation of Padma Shri Dr. B.N. Gangadhar, the former director of NIMHANS. Today, followed by felicitation, there is a inauguration of CME and the guest speaker of Dr. B.N. Gangadhar will speak on the today's topic on optimal use of ECT. Now, because I request Dr. Gangadhar sir to come onto the dais and occupy his chair, and now I hand over the mic to the President, Dr. Ramakrishnan sir, to preside over the today's function. I request Dr. Ramakrishnan sir to preside over the today's function. Thank you, sir.
Namaskaram. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswaraha. Guru Sakshat Parabrahmam Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. On the lotus feet of Guruji, I thank all the members, office bearers, and dignitaries who have given me this honor to come over and felicitate our beloved BNJ sir. It is an immense pleasure. When I asked him for a date, immediately he obliged, and I was very happy. See, what I would say is, Professor BNJ has got retirement from NIMHANS, but I don't know whether NIMHANS will leave him or not. Whether our zone will retire him or not. He is omnipotent and always with NIMHANS and our psychiatrist. He has to guide us. That is our fervent wish. You know, Acharyas are born. They are Jnanis. They are visionaries of God, sent by God to spread the message across. In that way, we can compare BNJ sir. Maybe in this 1 century, if you can, what I used to feel is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, then Vivekananda, then Sai Baba, then Ramana Maharishi is my, always it will be in my mind. Then very few have come. Maybe in the lineage, we can compare him. And Paramacharya of Kanchi, he was a Acharya. Here they have all spread the message of peace and mental stability, mental capacity, jnana, everything. In that lineage, I would like to compare Professor Gangadhar. All these people, if you compare, one thing stands out, that wisdom, knowledge, humility, simplicity, and calm and smiling ever, in spite of all adversities. So that are the virtues of these people. You can see the same qualities in BNJ sir. Everyone will accept that. How simple, how humble. He has never showed his power and everything, nothing. See, he is a simple. That our young generation to take a leaf out of it and follow it. And we all pray that he lives long, happily, with all health, to serve more and more. He is a Loka Guru in psychiatry. He is not only confined to India, he is a world by himself. That's what I can say. And he is not getting retired. He is going to at a higher plane. Now, he is going to be the chairman of ethics committee in the National Medical Council. Still his responsibility is getting up, not coming down. I know how, because how efficient and all, how sincerely he will do his, deliver his duties. When I asked him, sir, we need your time for that, he said yes. What topic you want to talk? I was telling him, sir, you are a dying in so many areas. What stands out is yoga and spirituality in this century, and previous century he was into ECT. He is a man behind making a unique mission of ECT and patenting it. He is the man behind it. So I just asked him, sir, ECT has to be revitalized. Can you talk on that? He told yes. So that is the way he has accepted. And on behalf of all the psychiatric fraternity, with all respects, and not taking much of time between you and the lecture, I sincerely pray for his greatness, his health and happiness, and do his duty. Pranam to you, sir. On behalf of, sir. On behalf of Atma Special School, the school for mentally retarded, challenged and autistic children run in Trichy, Atmalayam, I give this memento to this great man. This is a painting by inmates of Shantivanam. This paint was done by Shanti. She is an inmate of Shantivanam. I respect this. Personally, I like to give him this Sri Rangam Bhuloga Vaikuntham book. Now, I would like to represent you all for this felicitation. From first, I like Andhra Pradesh state to honor our professor. Gift. On behalf of Andhra psychiatrist, I have the privilege to honor him.
Will request IRS.
Dr. IRS Reddy, I request you to speak few words.
Yes. Okay. Good evening to everyone, especially my colleague and friend, Dr. Gangadhar, and the president of South Zone, Dr. Ramakrishnan. First of all, I want to thank all the office bearers for giving me the opportunity to say a few words about one of my best friends in NIMHANS, Dr. Gangadhar. See, Gangadhar and myself were colleagues and contemporaries. I joined in 1977 and he joined in 78. And of course, he joined MD, I joined DPM and then MD. And that is more than 4 decades. Probably I had the longest association with him in this gathering to say. And the thing is, he, of course, already we attended the felicitation recently about from NIMHANS, and many people have said many words, but personally, from a closer angle, which I have seen, I just want to say a few things about his personality. He is very simple, as our president has said. He is very simple and humble, and he represents the traditional Indian middle class family representative. He looks like, even today, I have seen so many directors of NIMHANS, but he is the most humble and any student, any help he goes, he is accessible and he is helping. And what we say is that more than his personal thing, he goes to any extent to help his students and colleagues. So he's more altruistic in that way. He never had that personal interest or anything like that. And other thing is, he is more a family man. I have seen when his father was sick and when his wife was sick, and how much when I visited his house a few years back, and how much he was serving in the house itself. And as a husband, he was serving the wife and her sick bed, and also the father. Very rarely we see such things, and very, very, very heart-touching those things I have seen. And also, another thing is, as Ramakrishnan has said, see, in those days, about 30 years back in 80s and 90s, his main focus was on ECT, more of biological psychiatry. Now, he is more on yoga and other things. So that is the change. But wherever he has put his hand, ECT is one of the internationally acclaimed research. And also now again on yoga, the current trend in the Indian and the international thing also. So he is doing a lot of work on the yoga also. Other thing is comes my mind. Out of probably there are about 7,000, 8,000 psychiatrists in our country as on today, to my knowledge. There are only 3 psychiatrists in India till today who got Padma Shri and above. One was Dr. Sharada Menon from Tamil Nadu. The second is Dr. Mohan Agashe from Maharashtra, an actor come psychiatrist. And of course, the recent one, third one is our Gangadhar. Very proud. So 3 persons among our psychiatric fraternity who got Padma Shri from the government of India. This is a very, very rare achievement. So this is another unique feature of Dr. Gangadhar. And of course, he was a colleague to me, and he was a teacher to my son, Dr. Vishal. All of you know, he's the South Zone representative. So when Vishal was joined MD, he was his professor. And I know the association. And when we started our Shantivan Rehab Center in Vijayawada about 5 years back, he just took over as the director and VC of NIMHANS. And on my invitation, probably that was his first occasion to participate in a public function. He came all the way from Bangalore to Vijayawada, and he was the guest of honor in that inauguration of our Shantivan Rehab Center. So there are so many such instances. Another thing I still remember, I was telling about how he is helping his students and colleagues. when I was doing my thesis in MD, I was not able to finish in time. So Gangadhar sat me, our Channabaswana professor, who was my guide. So he told, Reddy, you are getting late. So he asked Gangadhar to sit with me in the hostel. He sat for many nights in the hostel, in the men's hostel of NIMHANS with me. And both of us, he helped me a lot in the final drafting the thesis and other things. So I remember those days. So he goes to any extent to help his friends and colleagues and students also. So that is his basic nature. So there are so many unique qualities of Gangadhar, which I think there are so many others to speak. So I think now he is the member of the National Medical Commission. I wish and pray God that he should become the chairman also in course of time. I think even maybe the chairman of NMC now, or he is going to become the chairman. Let us all wish wherever he works, he will work with sincerity and integrity. That is his nature. And also that I pray God that he should give the enough good health and also energy to serve the society and also our psychiatric fraternity. Many more long years for him to serve. So Gangadhar, I take this opportunity to once again wish you all the best and also felicitate on behalf of Andhra Pradesh. Another proud thing for especially from Andhra, because I am speaking from on behalf of Andhra Pradesh. Many people may not know that he is basically a Telugu man. His mother tongue is Telugu. Probably this is a surprise to many people. Even though he is born and brought up in Karnataka, he is a Kannadiga, but his mother tongue is Telugu. And of course, it may be surprised that even our Ramakrishnan, the president of South Zone, even though he is a Tamilian, but his mother tongue is Telugu. So as a Telugu person, as from Andhra Pradesh and from the two Telugu states, I think we are proud to say that our Telugu man was the director of NIMHANS, and also now he is going to head the National Medical Commission also. So on behalf of Andhra Pradesh chapter of Indian Psychiatric Society and all the psychiatrists of Telugu, I convey my best wishes to Dr. Gangadhar. I thank once again Dr. Ramakrishnan and other colleagues for giving me this opportunity. Gangadhar, wish you all the best in your future and also for a long life and healthy life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request Karnataka State to honor our professor. Dr. Suresh Badamat will honor. Thank you, sir. Very kind of you. I request Dr. P.K. Kiran Kumar
Yeah,
to
I'm here.
speak very few words.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. We are pleased to have Dr. B.N. Gangadhar as a speaker today. We all know he's a senior professor, and he achieved a lot in his life as a director of NIMHANS as well as chairpersons of ethical committee of NMC. I think these were the highest post which anybody can achieve. So we are happy to have him here. As Dr. Reddy said, it was a surprise for us also that he's a Telugu man. But anyway, his contribution to Karnataka Psychiatry Society is tremendous. He has as a speaker and the chairperson for the many of the talks and conferences. And he also has been the past president of Karnataka Psychiatry Society. As you know, he has done post-graduation in yoga, and he is giving a lot of international, he is the international speaker for yoga and psychiatry. I think one of the favorite yoga is Sudarshana Kriya, which he probably published as helpful for depression. And of course, though I am not a student of his, from the first year onwards, we used to hear whenever the topic comes ECT, we used to hear that it's Dr. B.N. Gangadhar, whatever it is there. So from the first year on, even though we are not student, indirectly we were the student, we were listening to all his talks, and he has got many students in his line. And also I think he is very much interested in neurobiology of schizophrenia. So as we know, he is a very simple person, humble, very friendly, especially with his colleagues as well as students. That's what I heard. And very down to earth. Like whenever we meet him conferences, you can talk to him nicely. He talks too well and he is very helpful. And with this simple introduction, I wish him all the best in future. And we are very eager to wait to listen to him. Over to Dr. Bijal.
So kindly unmute.
Bijal, you can speak now.
Is he there? Vijal, raise your hands. Yes, yes.
Now you can unmute.
You can unmute. Yes.
Good evening to one and all. At the outset, I like to thank the President of Indian Psychiatric Society, South Zone, for giving us an opportunity to felicitate my own teacher. I would like to say one word. Today, what I am is just because of Pancha Pandavas, and Dr. B.N. Gangadhar is Madhyama Pandava. Today, whatever position as a psychiatrist, as a former medical superintendent of demands, whatever I got is just because of B.N. Gangadhar, and one is the Madhyama Pandava of among the five, that is DN sir, BNG, CRC sir, then Karur sir and Dr. Kishore. I never forget these five people in my life. As Indla sir was telling, he was so student friendly, definitely sir, and he was my co-guide. We need to travel along with DN sir and Jagdisha sir, Jagdisha Tirthali sir. Sir used to come at 4 o'clock. He used to get ready and he used to travel till Turvekere along with me to help me in my thesis. So I never forget such things. And also the immense help he has helped not only me when I was not having a salary in my second PG posting. The way he has helped us, it was marvelous and unforgettable, sir. So he has served not only Nimans, the whole Karnataka, whole India, and major contribution to our Indian Psychiatric Society. As a secretary of the Indian Psychiatric Society Karnataka chapter, we're very much proud that he is our mentor, he is our teacher, he is our past president, and he is our member. I wish him all the success once again, sir. ತಮ್ಮ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಜೀವನ ಸುಖಕರವಾಗಿರಲಿ. ತಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ ಸರ್. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Kerala State to honor our professor. Dr. Jayasuriya will honor.
On behalf of Kerala Psychiatric Society, its president, Dr. Thomas John, and Dr. Anup Vincent, who's general secretary, thank you very much, sir.
Dr. Ramana Nirat.
Good evening, everybody. Respected President and the distinguished Speaker of the day, Dr. B.N. Gangadhar. When this first idea of a regular monthly CME was mooted by Dr. Ramakrishnan, and everybody had first name Dr. B.N. Gangadhar as a speaker, though I don't know him personally because I had my post-graduation from Bombay. So my association with NIMHANS is only through conferences. So anyway, it is nice to have a senior person like Dr. B.N. Gangadhar to be the first inaugural speaker of the South Zone CME, which is, I think, is a unique thing in the country. Let's hope wish him all the best on behalf of Kerala State Society, Kerala Psychiatric Society, as well as on behalf of as a Vice President of the South Zone. Wish him all of the success. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Mohan Das to say very few words to honor our professor. You raise it your hand, sir. If he's not online, don't do it.
He just left. He has another academic program, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now I request myself to represent Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu is very famous for its own art. And I'm happy to present our professor, Anji Kamachi. This is a traditional Tanjore painting. Request Dr. Babu Bala Singh for 5 words.
Respected President Sir, Dr. Ramakrishnan Sir, respected Secretary, Dr. Suresh Kumar Sir, the EC members, and of course the star of the day, Padma Shri Professor B.N. Gangadhar Sir. On behalf of Tamil Nadu, IPS Tamil Nadu chapter, it brings me immense happiness to speak before you. At the outset, I would like to congratulate our President for bringing this initiative of monthly CME and from the South Zone. I believe this would bring the academics, or it would take the academics to a newer height. And inaugurating the CME with Professor B.N. Gangadhar would be a real jackpot for us. The star of the day, Dr. B.N. Gangadhar, needs no introduction. And I think I need not repeat what all my senior professors have told. He has held several coveted posts in the most prestigious institutes, NIMHANS. But what I feel is it is not the institute which is more prestigious, but it is Dr. Gangadhar by himself holding those posts has made him more prestigious. And when you talk about Dr. Gangadhar, which I am happy to say that I had a few occasions where I could meet him personally, I remember him for his down-to-earth humility. And in spite of being a great professor and HOD of NIMHANS, he could just strike a conversation with anyone, even the postgraduates or any person. He could strike a conversation with ease, and he was very humble and he was very friendly. And whenever I remember a good teacher, one of the important quality they say is the teacher should be approachable. And Dr. Gangadhar has a lot of quality of approachable. He has a very good trait of approachability. And I still remember once when I met him at Tanjavur, on the way, while we walked through the corridors, he was teaching several things to me about ECT and other things. I still remember, sir. And he is a doyen in ECT, no doubt. And he has published several papers on ECT, both in the national and international journals. And as one of the audience, I'm eagerly waiting to listen to your speech, sir. And I take this opportunity to congratulate our president. And I think this monthly CME should go seamlessly throughout the year so that people who are far away from the metro cities can get a taste of this academics every month. And I wish the CME all success. Thank you, sir, on behalf of Tamil Nadu Psychiatry Society. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Babu Bala Singh. Now I request Telangana to honor Jagdish. Dr. Jagdish will honor on behalf of Telangana. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, rushed up for this.
On behalf of Telangana.
Charminar has been given.
Charminar.
On behalf of Telangana, I request Dr. Ashok Reddy to speak a few words.
పద్మశ్రీ బిఎన్ గంగాధర్ గారికి పాదాభివందనాలు ఐపీఎస్ తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ బ్రాంచ్ తరఫున. Mr. President Ramakrishnan Garu and IPS Telangana State Branch and ECF IPS, I am grateful to you for giving me the opportunity to talk to about Dr. Gangadhar today. I had my attachment from the days when I worked under him, under his guidance as senior resident for about 1 year in NIMHANS. He has all through guided me like elder brother. Even today that relationship is continuing. Whenever we have some issues, I just contact him directly. He is always helpful to me. He is a very simple person, a humble person. And even when he came to Hyderabad to attend the conference, he stayed in my residence instead of staying in a staff hotel. That is for the example of simplicity. And he has contributed immensely in establishing the integrated, NIMHANS integrated Center for Yoga and NIMHANS Digital Academy, and contributing a lot to the development of ECT in India. In various dimensions, we have developed the interest in the ECT, including the various areas of various categories of diagnosis where ECT can be. Then standardization of the devices, standardization of dosages. So much contribution has done in the last 20 years for the ECT. And then we have also contributed so much to yoga, use of yoga in the men's day services, and started integrated integrated services for yoga and medical sciences. We are grateful to you, sir, for all these contributions. The humbleness, we take you as a model, we learn so many characters from you. I pray God to give you healthy, long life so that you can guide us and serve us and serve the society for more and more years. Vandanam. Thank you, sir.
Sir, unmute. Unmute and speak.
All right. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amurtangamaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Vandana. Now I request Dr. V. K. Aravind to speak for 2 minutes about the initiative of our CME.
Respected President, Secretary, Office Bearers, on the dais of the dais, on video on and video off mode, I would like to welcome you for the inaugural CME of our Indian Psychiatry Society South Zone CME, which is organized from the part of the IPS South Zone. And the first program starts with the felicitation of Professor B.N. Gangadhar sir, and with the introduction lecture on the optimal use of ECTs. So I would also like to introduce my CME committee members before I just have what are the plans for these years of CME committee program of IPS South Zone. So the co-chairman is Lokeshwar Reddy, and the members are Dayal Narayan, Rajesh Raman, and Sai Krishna, for young, enthusiastic, dynamic psychiatrists who are going to have wonderful year ahead of this CME academic program. So now the IPS South Zone CME has proposed to conduct every third Saturday of all the month to have a lecture from 7:30 to 9 or 9:30, depending upon the type. Now, depending upon the speaker's duration. Now, this platform is considered to be for two speakers, mainly for the young psychiatrists and the senior psychiatrists. So the young psychiatrists will be focusing mainly about the recent advances and the developmental theories, which they will propose, and they will share their experiences, along with the senior people who will talk about their clinic-based experience or practical-based experience on a similar topic. Now, this platform is mainly for the young psychiatrists who are in need of a platform, a bigger platform like a South Zone CME or the practitioner CME, and they can take it as a big platform to the next level of their academic orientation program. And it is an honor that we are starting with an eminent person like Professor B.N. Gangadhar, and it is an in fact, a wonderful opportunity for the IPS South Zone to have such an elaborate monthly CME academic program. And I would like to thank all the office bearers of IPS South Zone, including the president, secretary, and the EC members for initiating this program. And I'm hopeful that it goes all the month very smoothly without any interactions or disruptions. And with this, I would just hand over the mic to President Dr. Ramakrishnan, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Aravind. Very nice introduction. We pray God for our program to continue forever. That's our vision. I need not talk much about ECT because Professor is going to talk for the next 45 minutes or so about how the optimal use of ECT is going to be, how it can be utilized. Because what I find in young generation psychiatrists, they are not focusing much on ECT, how valuable it can save a stupor or a catatonia and all. We can only by experience we can learn. And Professor Gangadhar has given a very scientific research articles and I think books on ECT, everything, patented machine Navicure, all these things are his works of ECT. And I would request Professor Sir to inaugurate the CME with your name and continue your lecture, sir. And bless all our psychiatrists, sir.
So this is inauguration.
So we're going to get the visor, and thanks to the respected President of the Indian Psychiatric Society South Zone, Dr. Ramakrishnan ji, to have thought of this. I wish this program all success, and we hope to get wiser with each program, with each CME that happens on this platform. Wish you all the best, and I thank everyone for having invited me and felicitating me. I'm deeply touched. I look forward to meeting you once the Corona season ends in conferences and CMEs, workshops, etc., etc.